Hello, I want to show you the first commissioning of the App Control Server. But first of all, you need a Pro Service account. And if you have this, we can start. So let's go. So first of all, you go to the system and there you have an Add button to add a device. In this case, of course, an App Control Server. Now we need to enter the serial number of the device. After accepting the next pages, you will have to create a local user. This local user is used to access the device and later to connect your smart device to the App Control Server. Next, it's time to upload your KNX project. After selecting the correct project, you can enter a project name, and if the project is password protected, you can also enter the project password. Once your KNX project is uploaded, you will automatically arrive in the function overview where you can define your KNX functions. However, this is not necessary. You can proceed directly to the visualization page. Here you will see two pages, one navigation page and the first control page where you can define functions you want to control. In this example, we add a switch to control spot A in the gym. By clicking the field behind the output or input, you get a list of all the group addresses that you can assign to this object. Using the drag and drop, you can connect the necessary group addresses to the different objects of the switch. And of course, you can also change the name of the button. Don't forget to save your changes. Your first control element is now ready. We now proceed with the initial commissioning of the device. First, we need the local IP address of the device. For this, we have a small program called IP Finder. By clicking on the device, it will automatically open your default browser and fill in the IP address. Next, choose your language and accept the license agreement. The device will then check if there's any new firmware available. After that, you need to set some time parameters which are important for calculating sunset and sunrise times and for obtaining actual weather information. The next step is to decide if the device should automatically check for firmware updates. Now we need to connect the device to the cloud by entering the credentials for the local user. Once the validation is completed, you have the option to change your IP settings. The final step is to load your configurations onto the device. Depending on the size of the project, it may take some time. Now you are ready to install the app on your smart device. When you open it, simply enter your local user credentials and you are ready to go. I hope this will help to create your first App Control Server project. Thanks for your attention. Until next time. Bye.